Hi everyone, I'm Karen Lynn and I want to tell you about the 4 Patriots Power Blender. Here's what it looks like right here. And you can make your protein shakes, chop up nuts or coffee beans, and use it wherever you go. And since I travel a lot with my puppet ministry, I'm able to take it with me. I can charge it in my van or in an office or wherever I go. It's so good to use when you're on the go, and since I travel a lot with my puppet ministry also, sometimes by air, I am glad that it's TSA compliant and I can take it with me in my checked luggage. And that way I can stay healthy when I'm on my puppet ministry trips. So if you want to get something to keep you healthy and have with you at all times, then just get a 4 Patriots Power Blender. You won't be disappointed. Thank you 4 Patriots for again helping us out and giving us a 4 Patriots Power Blender. God bless.